I am proud of the warriors who defend our nation with honor and courage. My heart beats with the strength of the brave soldiers of Operation Sindoor. Their sacrifice fuels my gratitude. Their courage inspires my soul. I carry within me the spirit of unity of a nation that stands together. In the face of war, I choose to remember the peace they fought for. I am connected to the valor of those who served in every India-Pakistan war, in every battle of the world wars. Their bravery is not just history, it is the heartbeat of our nation. Operation Sindoor is not just a mission, it's a message of fearless protection and eternal peace. I breathe in the courage of our soldiers and exhale the peace they hoped to build. Let the echoes of their sacrifice guide my life in purpose and peace. No weapon is stronger than the unity of our people and the faith of our soldiers. India stands tall because her guardians never bowed. In the memory of the fallen and the courage of the living, I find inspiration. I walk in freedom, thanks to those who marched into fire without fear. I send blessings to every family who gave their sons and daughters for our country. Peace is my prayer, and courage is my path. I live to serve, love, and unite for my country, for the world. From the ashes of war rises the light of peace. This is the promise of Operation Sindoor. Let every heartbeat echo with gratitude. Let every breath be a tribute to their bravery. I am deeply rooted in the soil of my nation, where heroes are born and legends are written. Every step I take is guided by the sacrifices of our brave hearts. Operation Sindoor is a symbol of India's undying spirit, unshakable strength, and sacred duty. I rise every morning with the resolve to honor my country through truth and action. When I speak of my nation, I speak with pride, with reverence, and with hope. The blood of martyrs nourishes the tree of freedom that I enjoy today. Their mission was not just to fight, but to protect peace, to guard unity, to serve selflessly. I carry the legacy of the Indian Armed Forces in my heart every single day. I am not afraid to stand for what is right, for I walk in the shadow of heroes. My soul remembers the bravery of those who stood in the face of danger without fear. Let the stories of their valor echo in our hearts and guide our future. I bow in silence for the fallen, and I rise with strength for the living. From the trenches of the world wars to the snowy heights of Kargil, our soldiers stood unshaken. India does not seek war, but will always stand strong for peace and justice. My voice is free because they silenced theirs in battle. The spirit of Operation Sindoor teaches me that peace is worth fighting for. The flag they held high in battle now flies freely because of their devotion. I am forever indebted to the brave who gave their all for our tomorrow. I trust in the strength of unity and the power of one nation standing together. My loyalty is not just to a place, but to a purpose to protect the light of humanity. I pray not only for my country, but for the world to know peace through understanding. May every border be guarded with honor, not hate. I believe in peace through strength, and strength through sacrifice. Let the spirit of every soldier who fought with love for the motherland live on in us. India's strength is not just in arms, but in the soul of its people. From every village to every valley, the courage of our soldiers lights the way.